Hello children, welcome to my channel. This is a question for class 11 CBSE board, code number 241. Question is related with the geometrical progressions or geometrical mean. Geometrical mean से रिलेशन 11वीं क्लास के लिए ये क्वेश्चन है, चाहे वो बच्चे यूपी बोर्ड के हों, सीबीएसई के हों या आईसीएसई के हों, लेकिन स्पेशली ये जो जिस बुक में से लिया गया है वो एमएल अग्रवाल की बुक है, उसमें से लिया गया है क्लास 11 का कोड नंबर 241. Question is, insert 4 geometrical means between 3 and 96. 3 and 96, we have to insert 4 geometrical mean. 3 और 96 के बीच में 4 geometrical mean उसके अंदर लगानी है, वो हमें इनकी वैल्यूज निकालनी है. Also show that their product is fourth power of the GM. It means इनका जो GM है, GM of 3 and 96 जो भी आएगा उसका 4 टाइम्स इनका प्रोडक्ट होता है. इट मीन्स G1 इंटू G2 इंटू G3 इंटू G4 is equal to fourth power. It is equal to GM to the power 4. This is to be proved. ये सेकंड पोर्शन है, ये फर्स्ट है, सॉरी फर्स्ट पोर्शन ये. अब इसके बीच में GM 4 करते हैं. 3 और 6 96 के बीच में 4, we have to insert 4 GM, first, second, third, fourth. It means in this geometrical series, beginning from till third till last, a geometrical series starting from 3 till 96, we are having total number of series number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means this is the sixth position of the GP. General geometrical progression की sixth position पे 96 है. If A is the first term, then next second will be AR, third will be AR square, fourth will be AR cube, and fifth will be AR 4, R to the power 4, and sixth will be AR to the power 5. It means 96 will be equal to AR to the power 5. As our formula क्या होता है? That nth power of a GP is equal to A into R to the power n minus 1. सेम इज द कंडीशन over here. 96 कौन सी पोजीशन पे? 6 पे है, तो r की पावर 5 ये ही 96 की वैल्यू होगी. 96 सीरीज की 6 पोजीशन पे है, तो r की वैल्यू इसके अंदर 5 आएगी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 3. ओके, हियर a is equal to 3. फर्स्ट मेंबर इज 3, दिस इज 3. इट मींस 96 is equal to 3 into r to the power 5. और we can say r to the power 5 is equal to 96 upon 3. That is 32. And 32 is can be written as 2 to the power 5. Because power is same, it means r is equal to 2. That is our r. अब हमें r पता चल गया. We have determined the r. Now we can find the value of these 4 geometrical progressions, which are what? Which are, this is AR, this is AR square, this is AR cube, this is AR to the power 4. It means first and second and third. Sequentially, अगर देखा जाए तो G1, G2, G3 and G4. This will be equal to AR square, AR cube, and AR to the power 4. Okay, this is equal to A. A is equal to what? A in this C is equal to 3. It means 3 into R. R we have obtained is equal to 2. Is equal to 6. Okay, this is 3 into 4. That is 12. This is 3 into 2 to the 4 to the 8. 24 and is equal to 3 into 16. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 is equal to 48. Okay. Now, these are the product. These are the G1, G2, G3, G4. Then product will be equal to, it means G1 into G2 into G3 into G4 is equal to 16 into 12 into 24 into 48. Correct? Now our what is GM? GM is equal to geometrical mean. This between 3 and 6 will be equal to 3 into 96 root as per the definition. Okay? So this will be equal to 144. This will be equal to 8 carry 1, 27, 28. Okay? This. Okay. 228 under root. This can be written as 144 into 2 root. That is 12 root 2. This is the GM. It means the fourth power of GM will be equal to fourth power of GM. This will be equal to 12 to the power 4 into root to the power 4. It means this will be equal to 12 to the 4 into 2 to the power 2. This should be the product of this. Let us see whether this product is equal to this or not. Now we have to bifurcate this. 12 to the power 4 into 2. 12 in this is. Now I am going to rub this. Our product is 6 into 12 into 24 into 48. 12 to the power 4 is to be obtained and to the power 2. 6 can be written as 3 into 2. Okay? 12 will remain same, no change at all because 12 is required. 24 can be written as 12 into 2. 48 can be written as 12 into 4. It means we are having 1, 2, 3. 3 12s. And this further can be written as 3 into 4 is equal to 12. It means 12 into 2 in place of this 4 and this 3. 12 into 2 into 12 into 12 into 2 into 12. This is 12 into 2 into 12 into 12 into 2 and then this 12. We are having 12 to the power 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means it can be written as 12 to the power 4. Correct? Now this is 2 to the power 2. Proved. It is proved. So it was easy, but trick is to be applied. मजा आया होगा? Clear हो गया concept? Thanks for watching my video and please remain in touch with my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe me. Okay? Good luck. Good future. Thank you. Good night. Please wait for another video. Okay? Thank you. Good night.